Hi guys, hope everything's well on your side. Today we're going to unbox a new Genius wireless gaming keyboard. It's got backlight on the keys so you can work in the dark with it. Let's see what inside.
Wow.
This is the keyboard. As you can see, a whole lot of different functions. It's very handy. Use the backlight on the keys so you can light up the keys lower and dimmer. Volume buttons, mute button, music button, pause and play button, which is very handy. Very neat, nice and big buttons, and yeah, very nice to the touch. USB port connector and PC. Model name is the Scorpion K9. I'm going to test it and I will let you know how it goes. Thank you very much.